In a manufacturing plant, thousands of machines keep production running. When something breaks, maintenance teams step in. As the technicians work on the machines, they have to manage SAP work orders. Managing a work order should be easy, but standard SAP transactions have multiple screens, redundant data entry, and time-consuming steps. This could mean thousands of extra clicks and wasted hours, or even inaccurate data entering the system, leading to future downtime. And this is just considering SAP management, not the actual maintenance. Liquid UI simplifies this by streamlining and automating SAP processes. Here is a real customer use case where the work order management process was simplified and tailored for their technicians. First, take a look at this main menu. Everything this plant technician will ever need is all right here. They won't have to navigate through T codes or irrelevant modules anymore. So let's say a technician sees a pipe is broken. They can create a notification straight from the main menu just by entering the equipment number. No T codes, no excessive scrolling. Once they enter the equipment number, necessary information to create a notification such as the functional location is auto-populated. Once the notification is created, they can convert it into a work order with one click, and the work order is automatically available for them to interact with. Common actions performed during the execution of work orders, such as change work order, display work order, and goods issues, are all there for the technician to access easily. Every screen is designed to make working on SAP more simple and intuitive, reducing unnecessary clicks and scrolling by streamlining SAP elements, ensuring that plant technicians only see the tools they need. And now, plant technicians can take these easy screens anywhere on the plant floor without additional coding. Since Liquid UI connects directly to SAP, they simply log into SAP through the Liquid UI app, and the streamlined screens are ready to use. With Liquid UI, SAP PM works the way your team needs, simplified, streamlined, and built around their workflow. Try it for yourself and see the difference.